Hey guys, it's your girl Cass here, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you are returning, how you guys doing today? Anyways, y'all, so I'm back on this channel. I am going to be, what am I going to be doing today? Anyways, guys, so I'm back on this channel. I haven't been on this channel in a minute, probably like almost a year. I'm jumping back on here to be more consistent, to build up this channel. This channel is more like a, you know, just laid back, vlogging my day or vlogging like a weekend or week. So that's more what this channel will be about. I do have another channel, Balanced Life with Cass, but I'm trying to, you know, just pick up the camera anytime and just do like random videos, try to build up this channel more. So that's what I'm doing today. Today is my off day. It actually is really not, I'm supposed to be working today, but my daughter's sick today, so she stayed home. So I just said I need to get things done anyways. So I'm just going to be meal prepping today. I need a meal prep. I need to, let me see what else I have to do. Oh yeah, y'all, it's penny day at Dollar General. So a lot of things supposed to be a penny. I follow these girls. I'm about to put y'all on right now. I follow a couple people on Instagram, and they help with deals. Like, I follow one specifically, Clearance Queen. Bomb. I get all the deals, all the items that you would want or that you need. Literally, they post all these like deals, and you just gotta get on it, you know. So I found out today is penny day at Dollar General, and we have 2 Dollar Generals here. Now I do not need anything, but if it's a penny, what are we doing? Let's go and see what's a penny, okay? So I do want to go do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that before meal prep or after. Probably before, because I do need some more things to meal prep, so I might as well get everything. But y'all about to come with me to Dollar General to see what they got. On top of that, I'm gonna meal prep today. I do need a juice. I don't know if I'm gonna juice in this video or next video, because juicing, I can show y'all my whole juicing like system and pretty much juicing everything out the fridge. Also, I need to work out today, so I do got on my little workout, you know, can't really see, but my workout, I went and bought some new workout pants so I can get in the mood, you know, get in the mode of just working out, getting my energy up. Like, I just was like, I need to get myself together. I've been falling off. I don't know if anybody else has been feeling like that, but I'm like, man, I need to make sure my hair is good, my nails, I need to get my nails done, my feet done, just things that make you feel good. I'm like, I need to get to it. I used to be on it, and I kind of fell off, especially since COVID and those things. It's just, I just been out here looking raggedy. I ain't even gonna lie. It's been a raggedy moment, okay? And I'm done. I'm done. I need to get myself together. I need to drop all the weight I can lose to get back this energy that I need, to get back in good health and good spirits. I just need to be on top of it. I've been praying, asking God to help me push through, because it's been a lot. It's been a journey, and I cannot knock it, but I am gonna get through it, okay? So that's what y'all gonna be doing with me today. We're just gonna get right into this video. Y'all gonna come with me to the Dollar General. Let's go right up into it, right up in here and see what they got. But y'all, I am happy to be back on the channel. So y'all, just don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Build my channel up. Hit like, y'all. That's just build me up. These small YouTubers, we need love, and it's just give me some motivation, okay? Give me something that I can grasp to, okay? Comment, let me know how you feeling, and if you feeling anything like me, or just let me know how you doing today, okay? Oh, I also forgot to say that I changed my YouTube name from La La Land, because that name was just so hard to search up. I was like giving people my name. It was so hard, because of course La La Land is like an actual movie, so it was just so hard to search, y'all. So I was like, I have to change this name, give it a more, you know, more unique name to me. So I changed it to It's Forever Cass. So y'all should be able to find your girl, okay? But y'all just continue to stay tuned. Let's go to the Dollar General. So yeah, y'all, so we're about to head to Where am I going? Dollar General. So that's Dollar General now. Okay, so we catch the deals. Y'all gonna see what I got going on. And if we can catch some penny sales, if not, then I guess we just won't be catching no sale today because I'm not spending no extra money. Hold on, let me see if this is okay. Oh, child. I'm not getting no extra money, spending no extra money unless it's a penny. Just because I'm extra and I want to catch this sale. But y'all will see when we get there what we can find. Yeah, so we just made it. We just made it at the Dollar General and there ain't nobody here. It's like 3 people, but this guy. But I'm gonna see what they got up in here. I don't think he know nothing about no penny deals, so we gonna see. Looking like the FBI, Secret Service, and Dollar General. But we gonna go up in here and see if they got some penny deals, y'all. I'm gonna ask the people where the penny deals at. Where they at? We here. Show us. Where the penny deals at? 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 What? It's kind of dark. Let's scan this stuff, y'all. These are not a penny. Look at that. Let's go before. Okay, let me look. Let's go on the other side. Spring, summer stuff. Soon summer. So y'all, we gonna have to go to the next Dollar General because this one don't have like all the summer stuff, like pools and stuff, beach stuff. It don't really have much. So we in store number 2. Sorry, I don't want to be on camera to get one of these. This ain't a penny because these are fall stuff. We need the beach stuff. What a beach stuff. That's cute too. But the fall stuff are not a penny.
In the store, ma'am.
Okay. Just for a vlog.
Huh?
For a vlog.
No, I can't have you videoed inside my store.
Okay.
The policy we have.
Okay. Well, y'all, we can't video, can't do our vlog. So, bye, y'all. So this man blew me. Okay, he really blew me. Because he gonna tell us to stop recording. The first Dollar General ain't do that. They allowed us to record, but I told him I wasn't recording him. I'm recording the sales. I'm about to buy and sell. He asked me all types of questions. Listen, y'all. I'll talk to y'all when I get home. I'm stopped at Walmart to get some more things to meal prep, and then I'm about to head home. So y'all, it's 1:30 and I haven't even eaten yet. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm mad hungry. So I'm at Dunkin' Donuts about to order.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get your can I get your bacon, egg, and cheese croissant?
Yep, bacon, egg, and cheese, and on a croissant.
Yes. Do you have a cranberry muffin?
You said a cranberry muffin?
Yes.
Let me double check.
Okay.
Yes, we do.
Okay, yes, that and a hash brown, please.
That and order hash browns?
Yes, that'll be
It's
all.
actually a lucky day too because I think this is this is the last one. The cranberry muffin.
Oh, thank you. Yay. Thank
Alrighty,
you.
total comes to $7.57.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. You too. Yeah, so this is my lucky day, the last one. That's a good thing and a bad thing because that muffin probably drier than the dough. Dries all I do. Art behind muffin. So anyways, y'all, I finally made it home. I got Dunkin', I got some hash browns and a croissant. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have got a turkey muffin, turkey, egg and cheese muffin. That's actually good, and I don't know why I didn't get it because this is a lot less healthier, but it is what it is. But y'all, this was a penny. This is my little haul. These were a penny. All their lawn spring stuff at Dollar General, and what else did they say? Lawn, summer items, and they have a few items. They really are a penny, but you gotta find a store that actually have them. This is just like a flag, garden flag. It says Hello Spring. Like you can put it in front of your thing when you're walking up. It's cute or whatever. It was a penny. How you doing? So, and it was $4. $4 for this, and it went down to a penny. Meal prepping is gonna take up some time, so let's get into that. So yeah, I'm starting my meal prep. I'm using cauliflower rice, salmon, some veggies, peppers. I'm gonna use this for the salmon, and I'm gonna do turkey sausage. So this is pretty much everything I'm gonna meal prep for either lunch or dinner. But yeah, let's get into it, okay? So these are some brand new containers that I got. These are from Marshalls. So if y'all go on Amazon, these are gonna be mad expensive on Amazon. I mean, they're reasonable. Like 6 for 30 to 40. The only thing is that they were giving too much like problems. People were saying the glass was breaking and stuff like that. So I ended up finding these at their glass at Marshalls for $9.99 for 3. These are Rubbermaid. These are plastic, but they're clear. So I thought those were cute too. But yeah, for the price, $9.99 for 3 of these, I was like, okay, I can do that. So I'm about to wash these out right quick and start prepping my meals. So y'all, here is my meal preps. Okay, it's looking amazing. Okay. So y'all, I think that's up for this video. It's kind of bright because of the sun. It's beaming on this side. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I did my meal preps. Y'all followed me to the store today, so I think I'm done. I am gonna work out. I might post this at the end, but honestly, I think I'm gonna close the video out. So I hope y'all just stay tuned. Please like this video so it can help me out. Subscribe, y'all, because I am nowhere where I want to be yet. Just starting out, so I need some subscribers. I need some love over here. Y'all show me some love. But I hope you guys continue to be blessed. Stay blessed. I love y'all. It's Forever Cass. Bye.